Ruhonge rwa kuhitana na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia no nyui wa njohi NACADA rukoretwo rukiarira mibango etiganite na gutabania kambini ya kuhitana na thina uyu guku bururi-ini undu uria ukoretwo uri muritu no riu ruhonge ruru ni rwoete mwerekera mweru wa gukuruhania atongoria a ndini mbara-ini ino. Uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia ukoretwo gitamba na njira nene makiria kuri mbeu njithi undu uria uhutitie nginyagia ciana cia mathukuru na kurumirira dawa ng'eni iria irengira thoko o gwakia undu uyu ukarituhia mbara ino makiria ta uria muikariri giti wa bodi ya NACADA Reverend Stephen Mairori aratariria. Guku nake murugamiriri munene wa NACADA Anthony Omerikwa akiuga ni mararumanirira na duka cia wendia wa dawa iria irenderia andu dawa matathiirwo ni ndagitari.
The havoc caused by drug abuse is borne by families who have witnessed the deterioration of their loved ones into addiction and consequently suffered unemployment, drug-related illnesses, family breakages, and reduced income. There are reports of emerging drugs that are highly potent and easily available to both the young and old.
We are trying to ensure that we don't have rogue chemists who sell these drugs without prescription.
Frederick Guge uria ni mumemba wa bodi ya NACADA na nowe muikariri giti wa APEC ni athingatite AKENYA othe manyitane na moerere mbara ino kuona muhingo uria ukoretwo ho ni muingi na ndini kwaga kuoerera undu uyu ta thina ona thengia wa gukorwo uthinikanitie family nyingi.
Kenyans ona tukiuga gohoro wa thirikari ithwe enyewe kuria tuturaga no tunyitane na tuge say no to drug thini wa matura maitu.
No na thengia wa mira gukorwo ikirikana ndiri gikundi-ini kimwe na dawa cia kurebia NACADA yugite uthuthuria wonanitie kuri indo iri thiini wa mira ithukagia mwiri wa mundu.
Ayuthi amwe mahuthagira mira mathiaga nginya makagia na constipation to an extent ati nginya mathiaga gwikwo operation. Ari angi makagia na thina ati nginya marohwo nginya diapers tondu ko ni spams furu wago guo freely na icio ni thoni nene muno wa kiria gitumite undu ucio wikike ni tondu mira torwo ni turagwo ni ndagitari ni thimitwo na ekoneka ni ri cathine na cathinol na icio cieri ni poison njuru muno cia guthukia hakiri.
Sheikh Yusuf augite ona itheramu ni mahutitio na njira nene na makiria family nyingi kuharagana kumana na thuri kuhuthira mira na njira nene undu uria twite aingi ao ngombo kuria riu NACADA maheanite mamwe ma mendekithia hari gutoria mbara-ini ino.
Muslims, we know that we are also having a lot of problems in terms of broken families that are coming from Mira.
In bid to educate the people on facts and dangers of alcohol and drug abuse, this can be done through forums and various engagements with children, youth and families.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.